Top 3 must-haves for your Korean beauty haul. Are you ready to stock up on the good stuff? We're revealing the top 3 Korean cosmetic brands you absolutely can't miss on your Korean shopping adventure. First up, we have the trend-setting Aromatica. Think adorable packaging, innovative makeup formulas, and high-quality products that won't break the bank. Their iconic dewy lip tints and playful eyeshadow palettes are guaranteed to add a pop of fun and color to your makeup routine. Next, we have the nature-loving brand, Aromatica. If you crave clean, vegan, and cruelty-free products made with natural ingredients, Aromatica is your perfect match. Their soothing facial mists, gentle cleansers, and deeply nourishing moisturizers will pamper your skin while staying kind to the environment. Breathe in the fresh, natural scents and embrace the calming essence of their philosophy. Finally, for those who love science-backed solutions, we have Abib. Formulated with innovative ingredients and cutting-edge dermatological research, Abib caters to specific skincare concerns. From their cult favorite mild acidic toner to their hydrating miracle blue cream, they offer solutions for all skin types and needs. Trust the science behind the beauty and experience the transformative power of their advanced formulas. So there you have it. From playful makeup to natural indulgence and science-powered innovation, these top 3 Korean cosmetic brands offer something for everyone. Remember, Rom and ND for playful trends, Aromatica for natural goodness, and Abib for science-backed innovation. Happy shopping, and get ready to experience the wonders of Korean beauty.